Good night. Hello. My name is Giovanni Chavez Gutierrez. My favorite person is a soccer player. His name is Radamel Falcao Garcia. He he is 30 years old. He is from Santa Marta, Colombia. He is married and has three daughters. His routine starts at 5 in the morning. When he wakes up, he has breakfast at 6 o'clock in her house, then start exercising and trying, then drive in your car to the place of your work, that is Monaco Stadium in France. Then he plays a football match with his club for 90 minutes. When he finished working, Ramel Falcao Garcia meets with his friend to share. At 5:30 he goes home to dine with his family, and finally at 8 o'clock at night he goes to bed to rest for his next day. Okay, finish. Bye bye. Thank you.